If you're a fan of adorable animals, you need to hear these fun facts about seals. Seals are expert swimmers. Some can dive over 1,500 feet deep and hold their breath for up to 2 hours. They don't drink seawater either. They get all their hydration from the food they eat. And check this out. Baby seals, called pups, are born with fluffy white fur to keep them warm. While you might spot seals chilling on beaches, they spend most of their lives in the water. Oh, and those big puppy eyes. They help seals see in the dark ocean depths. Next time you spot a seal, remember, there's a lot more going on beneath those adorable whiskers. Hit like if you learned something new.